Okay, suppose we got hired by the as a consultant to the San Diego Police Department (SDPD) in California to help assess the allocation of police resources and the geographic distribution of reported crimes. So here we will analyzing the crime in San Diego. So of course we will start our GIS Pro. So we will build the skill, classify and symbolize the data as the previous one, and we will calculate walk times and summarize statistics, perform geoprocessing, and create and display tables, use spatial analysis extension, and generate hexagonal polygons to summarize data. And we will publish and share the everything as a story map. Okay, so now we start with ArcGIS Pro. So we were given the problem was that the SDPD has the data available to analyze reported crimes to more efficiently allocate patrol resources. So here in this scenario, we are a GIS analyst with the police department who has been asked to investigate the following crime data. So the first part we have to do is crime by police station service areas and crime within short walking distances of transit stations and directional distribution of various crimes and hexagonal visualization. So deliverable. After identifying the problem, we must envision the kinds of data, displays, maps, graphs, and tables that will address the problem. We recommend the following deliverable here. So a map showing crime within 2 kilometers service area for police stations, and density map for assault, burglary, and motor vehicle theft maps. Should have a control lines as we did. So map analyze crime within a 3 minutes walk time from transit stationary. So I don't think the directional script tool is gonna work. I'm going to call the Esri task support so that to know what's going on for the directional distribution and hexagonal map. It's not working as well. So we can publish 3 things online story map. So we will have a 3 series. And the question here are both quantitative and qualitative. So we will identify key points that should be addressed in here in this analysis and presentation. So the organizing and downloading data. So in any GIS project, we will keep track of the data as essential. We recommend that we will make a folder for the project that contains a data folder and a document folder. So this specific project, we will get this. So I'm gonna do is we already have the data, so I'm gonna start with a blank one, and here I'm gonna save it in our folder as always, desktop. So okay, so making spatial, click OK, and name we will say San Diego. Click OK. So once we have it, we will extract the package. The same, if it doesn't extract, I know what to do now. We can just extract it. So now, first we have to do is we will extract the data. There. So now I'm gonna go to Home Analysis and then Tools, and then I will type extract package. Okay, so now once we have a here, we will say the first one, it will be input package. I remember it's in my download San Diego data and output folder. So output folder, it will be desktop. Okay, right here, right here, right here, and then making decision. Click OK and click run. So we open the ArcGIS Pro and we sign into my account, and we create a new project and we click blank. So now we can add data to the map and use the data to help explore various components of the ArcGIS Pro interface. So the ArcGIS Pro interface is unique in its ability to contain multiple maps and multiple layouts. An ArcGIS Pro project automatically creates a specific default geodatabase. So here in this case, the default geodatabase will be named San Diego Results. So I'm gonna close everything and go back home and go to insert a new map. Okay, now I'm gonna close these out. Okay, I don't have to, so I don't want this catalog here. So then I have a folder, San Diego, okay. I need to connect to my folder so I can look at the data. Right here, so San Diego. Maybe it's in here. So I'm gonna do is this there. Go to this, click OK. Now I make the connection here. So let's see if San Diego is showing up. It's not the San Diego. Okay, that's my San Diego data. Okay. Alright, San Diego right here. So now we have everything. Oh no. I don't think I extract anything. So I'm gonna do is okay, so it didn't extract anything. So what I'm going to do is go to downloads. Okay, downloads. And then it's San Diego data. So extract. Zip 7, extract file, and extract, click OK. Alright, right click on it, and we'll just do cut and go back to desktop and go to this folder and down below, and I'm gonna just put it here. Paste. So let's refresh it. Refresh. Okay, now we should have a San Diego data. And once we have a San Diego data, and it should be in P13 and San Diego geodatabase, yeah, crime data layer. Okay, very good, everything is here. So each new ArcGIS project opens without any maps or data, so we must create a various project elements that we will work with. So to view data in ArcGIS Pro, we must first add a map. So here on the ribbon I already did, I went to Insert tab, which is active, and we can easily add a new map. So each map that we add contains the world topographic map, base map from ArcGIS Online. So ArcGIS Pro is integrated with ArcGIS Online to provide basic base maps that enhance the visual display. So here on the Analysis tab, we will go to Tools, and I already did, which is it doesn't work because there was some problem here. I couldn't figure out why. So now we have extracted the contents of the San Diego data package to the data folder. So I extracted and copy and pasted there, as I showed you already, and we can access all the maps and project components that we create from the catalog pane. So here, in this catalog pane, we will right-click Folders and add folder connection and the data folder where we extracted the package. So I already showed you here, which is right here. So the folder connection will maintain in this project for the duration of everything here we're going to work on. And folder connections are specific to the project in which they were created. So inside the data folder, we will see a P folder that contains San Diego Crime Geodatabase layer, which is right here, with data we will use in the project. And we will right-click and add this layer. So I would say right-click on it and add the layer to the current map. So add layer to the current maps. So now we should have everything, and zoom to here. So when we add to the data to the map, and ArcGIS Pro creates layer for each data source, and the layers reference the actual source data can contain many different display properties. For example, we can change the colors of layers. Now they are symbolized, and the layer name and the labels. We now see the data displayed in the contents pane and on the map. And we're going to save the project right now. Okay, so now we will set the environments. So set the environments. So geodatabase and San Diego results geodatabase and geodatabase. So I'm gonna go to environments. So environments is here, and environment setting summary is right here. And then San Diego, that's fine. And output coordinates, it will be the same as okay, let's see. I'm gonna go down to urban. So NAT 1983, state plane, California 5. Oh no. Oh yeah, this is 6. 6 and FIPS 0406 US feet. Perfect. And the extent, I will say San Diego. San Diego. It will be San Diego. It will be urban. So urban. So that's this one, San Diego. It's this one. I'm gonna click OK first. This is San Diego. So I'm gonna bring environment back, and raster analysis there. It will be cell size. I don't have to deal with the cell size analysis of mask. Okay, mask, it will be urban, and this will be, alright, I don't remember, maximum, or I think it should be fine. It doesn't matter if it's maximum or minimum. And then we will create a process summary. So a process summary lists in the steps we will work in this analysis. So this summary is important because it will allow us or others to reproduce the work. So for the analysis, we will do a deliverable map showing crime within a 2-kilometer service area of police stations. So we will symbolize metro area Ray and Ray stops and police station, and exam crime 2013 data. So for metro area, so where is our metro area? It doesn't have a metro area. All right. And we do have a police station, railway stops, and then railway. We have the railway stops. Okay, and then we have the police station. Yeah, I think the rail stops is the stops. Okay, then let's see. All right, I don't really see the other data. Okay, so now we have everything. We will double check what we're gonna do first. Okay. So the first part we're going to do is that for law enforcement decisions, so that we have to examine the crime data, but we will have to symbolize everything first. To symbolize the first one, we have is the stops and rail line, and I will do the rail line first, one at a time. So that this will say rail stops. Okay, for rail stops, and right click okay, there I have the prop. Okay, gallery, and it's all styles, and we'll say rail stops. Okay. If it's not rail stops, a rail station. Okay, train station. Rail is train station. Then I will use train station. So those are the train station, and then police station. And right click on it. I'm gonna go to, it didn't say rename, and just double click. Okay, so now I'm gonna capitalize S and delete this underscore and change the P into capitalized. And for the crime 2013, that's fine. And then railway, I'm just gonna okay, change the name, and this is San Diego. And another way we can do this is right click on it and go to General tab and San Diego and click OK. For names, we can have a spacing between them, so sometimes we cannot. So we just have to be aware on that. And for the ray, we will do it later, so we have to one by one. So this all styles, it will be police station. So now we have a police station, and we'll just search to put police, and then close it out, and we have a railway. Okay, rail. All style railway. Chain. Rail. Okay, railroad. Okay, so I will choose this one, railroad. Cool. Okay, we finish this, and we will examine the crime data. We will pay particularly attention to if the data has been sanitized. So we will write a synopsis of the crime data, including the number of incidents and explanation of the field headers. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Right click on the crime and examine the data. And I'm going to drag this up. So okay, once we drag this up, and we will see we have a different fields. I'm gonna move this here. So now we can see that the crime data is a point data. So point data, and we have the ID for sure, and when the crime conducted, and it records the date and the year for sure, that 2013, and each month and day, even they calculated the day and week and and the time and the hour, whether it's at night. So this is using Boolean. If it's just yes, it happened occurs at night, then it will be 1. If it occurred during the daytime, and it will be 0. And they have a different type, and they will record the address when the crime has happened, and we can see the spatial distribution where the crime is, and it shows everything: longitude, latitude, description, and the geotype, segment, and stuff. And the last one, I think it will be the GC quality and stuff, and console and stuff, community. Okay, and now we will create a 2-mile drive times around the police station, and we will say the type of geometry is split. So to do that, of course, we will have to go close this out first, and we will go back to the contents pane. So let's drag this contents pane to the left-hand side. So once we have this contents pane, and we're going to do is we will do we don't have a police districts here in at this point, so we will have to do is now we're going to actually, let's see, right click on this and go to property. We could do the metadata. Oh, it's already have it here, so we can look at the data information and click OK. And we don't have to do anything right here, so we don't even have to join because it's all San Diego, and we don't have to do spatial join. And then we will skip this part, and we will go to the service area. So now we will do spatial analysis, so that we will go to analysis and network analysis, and then we go to service area. So for the service area, we will use the police station. And the drive time, so the drive time, it will be 2 miles. Okay, 2 miles. So we will just have to wait, and we will import the police station, and then we will run the tool. So now, and service area, and we will use relationship. Okay, we will do split, And then not drive time, we will say driving distance. Driving distance, we only need 2 kilometers. I think here, 2 miles. Okay, 2 miles. Okay. Okay, all right. And then we have import drive time away from facilities. Okay. Here it only says that we need create a 2 mile around police station, and geometry is slipped. Okay. And then we will create our map. Okay. Now 2 miles and split, and everything is there. Import. So surface area facilities import, it will be police station, and we will run. Once we run, and then we will run here. Okay, then we will run. So now our police station is there, and we need to create polygons. Once we have the polygon, we will export it as the 2 miles drive time. 2 miles drive time. I will name it 2 miles drive time. So it is split. Okay, everything looks good. And then we could write the report to the police department about the distribution of crime around this drive time from the police station, and then we will go from there. So right click on it, and then we will go to data. Something wrong with that. Okay, let's just wait a little bit. Okay, right click on polygon, go to data. Okay, export features. So we will say this is our 2 miles 2 miles drive. 2 miles drive. Okay. And then we run it, and then we will have a new layer for that, and we can see which part is clustered or which part it is not. And now we will do is density maps for assault, burglary, and motor vehicle theft. A map should have a contour lines. So we will make a heat map of all crime first. And remember, we will need to make an event field in the crime 2013 attributes table and populate it with a 1 to create point density maps, because one geographic location represents several crimes. So now we will do that, and then we will create the contour. That's interesting when we create the contour. And then we can do the 3 minutes walk time later. So we will finish here first. Okay. So now we finished the that, and we do not have to do spatial join to anything, and we will have to make the density maps first. The first one is the heat map. So for the heat map, for the 2013, we will go right click on it and go to open attribute table. So for the open attribute table, we will click a new field. Oh, no, I don't need the full screen. So right here. So on the right hand side, there is an option. We go to the field view. So for the field view, and then I'm gonna do is right here. So add a new field, and it's down here. We can also click on it, so that we will say event. Okay, and then event. So for the type, we will say sort. Short. And this will be numeric. So numeric, number format. Okay, numeric. Category numeric. And then I think we can just save everything. Okay. And then click save. Okay. And we will close the folder, and we will close this, and here event, right click on it, and then calculate field, and everything we will say event equals to 1. So click run. So we will populate this field into 1. Okay, perfect. And then once we have a run, and close everything, and then we will see that 1 is populated everywhere. And now on the map tab, we will select by attribute. So first we will do is, I think I'm gonna create different layers. So the first one, we will use assault, and then we will do burglary, and we will do motor vehicle. So now I'm gonna do is select by attributes. So for the attribute, I will add, of course, I will add a class. So the class is here. So I'm gonna say it's crime type is equal to assault. All right, and then click add and click run. So once we have assault selected, so you can see the assault is all happens around here, the select the cyan color, and I'm gonna right click on it, and then I'm gonna go to data and export features. So I will say this is assault. Okay, and I want to do the same for other layer as well, and I'm gonna select by attribute again and add a class, and then I will say crime type is equal to the second one. Oh, cancel. Okay, I will have to clear it first. Okay, and and then select by attribute and add a class and type. Oh, no, not address. Okay, type. Right here. Okay, and then, how come it just, oh, I'm already in assault, not in crime. Oh, no. Okay. So go back to crime, alright? Not assault. Okay, go back to data and no. I'm gonna go open attribute table and select by attributes. So I don't need the full screen, so you can see a lot better. And add a class, so I have type. Type is equal to that. The second one I will do is burglary and motor vehicle theft. Okay, burglary. Okay, click add and click run. Then I will export it, and then those type will be burglary, data, burglary. Okay. Burglary. Burglary. Okay, burglary. Alright, and then click run. So once we have the burglary, and then I will close it out. So we have the burglary and right here, and then I'm gonna click here again and clear, and then open attribute. Add a new class and then type. This time we will equal to motor vehicle theft. Okay, motor vehicle theft. Okay, click add, click run. So this will be motor vehicle theft. Okay, so now right click on it and then go to data and export features. So this will be motor vehicle. Alright, motor vehicle theft. Okay, then we will click run. Awesome. So now we have the, and then I'm going to just clear it. So, and to do the heat map, we will continue. So on the analysis tab, we will go to tools. So tools. So for the tools, I will have to do is we will search, say, point density, spatial analysis, and then follow the environments to ensure both processing extend and the raster mask is on. Let's see, point density. That's a little weird. Processing, we have a point density, and then raster mask. So environment, okay, and mask, okay, it's San Diego, and extend. I think it should be San Diego. Okay, parameter. So now in point features. So the first one, I do not have to do anything. I just do assault first. And then populated field, it will be event. And then output raster, I will say assault. Okay, assault. D assault. Okay, and then everything remains. Okay, output cell size I would do 70 and square Okay, square miles, okay, area units, that's fine. Neighborhood is fine, and then I will just click run there. So we'll just wait for it. And then let's see, where is it? Our D. Okay, so D assault, I'm gonna drag it on top here. Okay, I'm gonna remove the service area. I don't think I'm gonna use it anymore. So assault, okay, move it on top. Okay, right here. So that's we can see the assault concentrated in here. That's very interesting to know where. Okay. And then we will do the symbology. Right click on it and go to symbology. And for the symbology, we have here we will do symbology classify. Yeah. And then we will do 5 classes, equal interval, and for 5, that's fine. And we will label it. Okay, I will label it for the darker color. This is low, and this is median, low. Let me double check the request. Okay, control interval is 5. Okay, perfect. I did that. So control right now it's not control yet. So and then let me create this, and then we will do control. So for control we will do 5. Okay, so and then we will do our other crime. Okay, once we have other crime, I will highlight it, and then we're done here for this. So then we will put online. Okay. We have median low right now, and then we will have median. After median, it will be medium high. And then high. Okay. So there. So the label, the legend changes. So the label. And then we will do contour. So now, and then go to tools, and I don't need to look at the crime data here anymore, so I can close this out. So on the geoprocessing, we will do is we want the contour tool, so spatial analysis, and our input raster will be D assault, and the contour will be just say contour, and contour interval we will say 5. Base contour, that's fine, 0. Okay, then let's run it and see. Cool, that's really nice. Okay, contour interval is 5, and then we can see some patterns here. That's very nice. And it didn't say the different color. I just used the default color unless you really want to change it. And you can modify later. Here I'm just showing the spatial analysis part, and to look it better, we can spend more time on that. And I still have to export it as a story map. That's very interesting. Okay, so we done one, and we have to do another. So the second one, and we already have things here. Point density. So for point density, the second one we will do burglary, and the event will be here, and this will be output raster. I will say D burglary, and output size will be 70, and then square miles. Everything looks good. Let's run it. And once we have it, and then we will, oh no, I don't want the same color. Let's go to symbology. Symbology, we will do equals interval. We will do 5, and then color scheme. We will change it into, we want another color. Where did the color go? Okay, change it into red. Okay, so now this will be low, and this will be medium low. The same way, medium low. You just keep it consistent, okay? Consistent, and then here we have a medium low. Medium low. Oh, this is median, and we will have okay. So median high, and then high. There. So now our symbology is there, and we can see the pattern. So for the burglary, and then we will go close it out, and we will go back to contour, tools, and contour. And then this time it will be the D burglary output. That's fine, and it will be 5. Click run. There. So now the green one, it will be control burglary, and we can see, well, some overlap. Those are the crime area, and I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this. So let's turn a lot of layer out. Okay. Let's turn this back on. I don't want to show the crime data. So now we can see a lot better. So not sound, not this, not these. So now we can see that some crime overlap here. It's really a problem. See, you see, and then you can see those pattern. Okay, now we will continue. So now we will do point density for our motor theft. Where are the motor vehicle being stolen? And this we will say P D. This is the density for motor vehicle theft. And output cell size will be 70 square miles. Perfect. And click run. Alright, and then we can see the pattern. And now I'm gonna do symbology. Okay, symbology, and I will do 5 classes interval. That's fine. I'll need to change the color. So let's do we can just do this. Okay, black and white, and then this one will be low, and then medium low. Okay, medium low, and then median median high. And then high. Okay, so I symbol it, and then now I'm gonna go to control. So it will be D motor vehicle theft. That's fine. We'll just use, and then control interval is fine. So now I'm gonna uncheck this one, uncheck it, and then oh, cool. I didn't uncheck this. I unchecked the other one. So now it's everything here. So it's really crazy, but we can see that a lot of the auto theft is around here as well, and just where this area and this area is really concentrated. Alright, so that's really a nice pattern to see. Okay. That's it. So we can continue the report to the police department by presenting the spatial distribution to auto assault, burglary, and motor vehicle theft in San Diego. And we might want to change the base map to imagery and turn the layer on and off to reveal what is underneath. And this change is particularly effective with the contour layers. Okay, so now I'm going to publish my map. So San Diego, and I just change this in property, and gonna highlight it red, and gonna do 2 so that we can see, and no color, go to OK. Let's go back to map, and our base map will be imagery. So now, oh no, I think I did wrong for the San Diego. Okay, go to symbology again. Symbology. Alright, so this will be no color, and this will be red. Okay, click apply. There. So now it's really nice to see some patterns here. Very easy to make, and you can see there are, of course, there are more police stations here. And let me close everything out. Let's move the police station right on top. So the police station, we can see that it's all here in I think the color I need to change it. So police station, let's change it into yellow. Okay, and it shine there. So yeah, we do need more police station here. Maybe we need a little bit more here, so that a lot of crime, and we obviously there are some attention needs to be here. So all right, for alarm enforcement, that we can help them to look a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to share our map. So to share the map, we'll configure for the apps. So, but before I do that, I really want to try the tool again. It's not working. Let's try again directional distribution. Okay, go back to analysis and tools. It's I just don't understand directional distribution. Alright, it's right here. So input feature class, it will be crime 2015. I don't know if I have to select anything. Map, select by attribute. Okay, equal to theft, auto. Okay, so now I already have my crime assault. So if I put assault and output feature, one standard deviation, weight field, one standard deviation, that's fine. I don't need to change the name. Okay, let's just click run. I don't think it's gonna run. There. So I might call them and see what's going on, because I already had this issue a while ago. That some of the script tool is not working, and I have to figure out what's going on there. So now we're going to share. So now we will share everything. Okay, so we will say crime San Diego map, and I will add it to the story map. So now we will do one by one. Okay, and then I will publish. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to share. Okay, share. I think I don't have enough to do a lot of layers. So let's see how many stories do they need us. Okay, police district station. All right, I have a police district station. Oh, it didn't. I have a police, but I don't have the data. Crime density. Crime density. Yeah, I do have a crime density for each layer. And then metro stop crime analysis hexagon, and I don't have stops crime. Okay, so I can do 3 maps. So I'm gonna alright, so later I will see here. Alright, let's publish. So we finished quick because 2 of the tools is not running. It's a little frustrating, I know, but I will get back to you. Okay, so now we will make I'm gonna go back to view and go to category pane. So on our map, so right now this is the first map. I would say the first map, I'm going to name it what I'm gonna name it. So San Diego police. Okay, San Diego police stations. Okay, alright, right click on it. I can just click Control C, Control V, Control C, and Control V, Control C, and then Control V. Alright, so then the second map, I will say San Diego. Okay, crime density. Okay, and then okay, then right click on it. The contour map. I could just use the contour map again. It doesn't have the one that we can join and give us the police district. This one, it didn't give us police district. So I'm gonna just Control C, Control V again. Oh, it won't work, this one. Control C and then move up, Control V. Okay, then I'm gonna name this San Diego contour. maps, okay? I would say crime control maps. Crime control maps, okay? And I already know what kind of crime it is. So for the first one, police stations, okay? It's just a simple base map, and I'm not gonna do much work. Let's do one at a time, and then I will publish and then put them in ArcGIS Online. So for these, I guess I'll just remove everything. Okay, remove, and then remove, and then remove, and then remove. So I can symbolize these. So I could just save these and assault. I can show where our assault, where our burglary, and then where our motor vehicle. So I'm just color coded. So this I'm gonna change it into green, red, and then no, not red. Okay, I'm gonna use another color. Okay. Alright, and then one more. Okay, and then assault. Assault, let's do blue then. Or cyan. Okay, click OK. No, it's too close to the other color, orange. No, okay, so orange is fine. Okay, click apply. There. Okay, so now we can see the crime and stuff and zoom in and zoom out, so it will be a nice web map online, so I don't need the crime. Well, we could save it, but I don't really need to because there are three major types. We will put it there, and I think that's how they record it. I don't need this. Remove this. Okay, that's fine. So now we're gonna go to share, and we will share share web map, so we can put web map, so we can put in our story map. So this is police station map. Okay, text. Okay, San Diego. There, San Diego. I will share with everyone and share. Okay, once we have it, and then I will do the second one and then do the third one, and we will put a story map. So for the story map, we will have to still see the story map. We will say San Diego story map. It's gonna take a while, and once I have everything, I will do it. Okay. And for the second map, I have to clean it a little bit, and then the third map, and the then I only have 3 maps, so. Okay, so now I have the first one, and then I'm gonna do the second one. And the second one is the control map, okay? Control crime, and we need the police station. However, we don't need the densities, okay? Right click, remove all the densities. And then actually, I don't need those dots anymore. Okay, remove, and I don't need this. Remove. We can save the station, change station. Let's change it into color white. There, so I'm gonna do gray. Click apply. There, we can see the train station around here. Okay, perfect. And then police station is there, and everything is there. That's fine. Okay, web map, and we will share. So we will say San Diego crime contour map, contour maps for I remember it will have assault, and then burglary, and then we will have motor vehicle theft. Okay, so San Diego. There. Okay, I'm gonna share. to change the configuration or message because it would just be a story map, then I will add it on things. So once this is done, then I will do the crime density, just show 3 layers density, and we will put the layers there. But each layer has to be on and off to be able to see, but we could do some layer. We will change its transparency, and then on the ArcGIS. So while it's publishing, let's log on. Okay, signing. So for signing in right here, and then okay, so now I'm gonna go to my content. So I'm gonna open everything here. So the crime, San Diego Police Station web map, and open a map viewer. And we have it here, everything, and then gonna go to save first. Save map to my content. It's a web map already. I'm gonna share. So now share, create a web application. Then I will say, gonna go back, embedded, no, create a web application. Where is our story map? Okay, map, social, build a story map, and then story map series, and then create a web. Okay, and then San Diego. San Diego crime. This will be San Diego crime story map. Okay, and then click done. So we have it here, and then I'm gonna do, yeah, it's tabbed. Okay, go each tab, or this time I want to do is side accordion. Okay, and that's fine. Okay, I don't need to take a tool. So add entry. So the first is police station. Okay, then I can choose my map, select a map. So it will be San Diego crime. Yep, that's the map. And everything is fine. Use default. Yeah, we can do legend. Click add. There. So then I said that this is the first map. Okay. And click add. There. So let's add. Okay, I think I have everything. Click cancel. And I can just save it. Okay, once I save it, and then I could add another one. Oh, this is zooming, and I don't need to add it here. And okay, if I want to add the second map, and then I just add it here and organize, that's fine. Okay, apply. There. So now I'm gonna add the second map. Let's see if it finished. Okay, it's finished. Okay, now I'm gonna do the third map. Okay, police station crime density map. So for crime density, I'm gonna remove everything. So except the 3 layers. Okay, I don't need the dots. Remove. Okay, and we can just put this on and on and on. So what I'm gonna do is for this, I'm gonna go to appearance. I go to transparent 50. All right, and then for this one, I'm gonna go to 50 as well. No, that's 500. That's really crazy. And this I will do 50 as well. There. So now we can see the shading. That's really cool. A little bit of everything. And for the 2, we can compare 2 together. See? And then for this one, I'm gonna do. Let's see. If I do purple, yeah. So we can change it, and then we can see how those crime overlap and help the for law enforcement a little better. So now I'm gonna remove all these. Okay, remove and remove. And the crime data, I don't need it. Okay, remove. Okay, so now I can put my railway and race stops and on top everything. So now we can see where are they. So now this is nice, and I don't have to change the color because we have a raster behind it. So the extend means we can use as a cookie cutter to cut the raster data. And now this is ready, and I can go to analysis, and then not analysis, go to share, and then share web map, and then San Diego crime density map. Okay, we can say for different things. This is just San Diego. Okay, and then click share. And I will save all the maps. So, okay, while we're waiting, save. Okay, so hopefully it will not crash on me. Okay, now we can add our second one. So the second one, it will be the contour crime map. Contour crime map. Okay, maps. Okay, and then map, we will select a map. Okay, where is our contour map? Crime contour, it's not this one. Cancel. Let's cancel it first. Okay. Okay, let's click save. If I go back, how can I access to my story map? Okay. Go back to home and go to my gallery. Alright, so let's see, story maps. Okay, maps. Test. Oh, those are my web application. Let's see, my content. How can I go back to my story map? Okay, that's a good question. And where is my contour? Okay, San Diego contour maps right here. Okay, I have it here. Go to maps. Where is my story map? Maps, story map. Story maps. Okay. This is DC. Okay, okay, story maps. Okay, right here. That's the interesting thing. I log off the story map, and how can I get back to my story maps? Okay, right here, my profile. My profile. It should store somewhere. Then where is my maps? I exit out, and that's an interesting thing to know. Is my training. Then where is my maps? Where is my story maps? Oh, no. I don't want to create another one, so let's go to history. History, okay. History, okay. So let's see, story maps, okay, my story maps. Not this one, then I guess. History, 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 okay. So I guess it would be this one then. Not this one. History, history. Can you take back to my maps? Okay, police station, map series, yeah. That's map series. Okay, map series, map series. Okay, can I go there? Hopefully it's back. There, okay. So now I'm gonna add a second one. So contour crime maps, okay. So then this one will be contour. This is not contour. I choose this one, okay. Density, crime density map. Crime density map, okay. Click add. Okay, this is the second map, okay. Yeah, there. So And then I'm gonna add the third one. Okay. Contour crime maps. This is contour, and then select a map. That's interesting. Where is my contour? Okay. I don't think I published, right? Okay, back to contour maps, okay. Web map, okay. Okay, alright. Contour maps, okay. For crimes. San Diego. Click share. Ah, it's already exists, okay. San Diego? Then which one? My content, okay, my content again. Police station, okay, crime control map right here, okay, finally. Oh, yay, okay. So, this is the third map. Okay, this is the third one. I'm gonna just save it. Okay, if I want to share that, I can just get this link, okay, or I can just click open. I already copied the link. I can send it to my friend. So this is really nice, and then they can just click this and click this one. All right, cool. Thank you. It's very very interesting, and since the map it's already edited, they cannot do anything. I could edit it to make it nicer if they really want something to look something, but if not, they can just view it. So this is like the end product. So the end product. Okay, thank you so much. We will move on to now analyze the composite images, raster data. All right, see you next time.